You have probably heard about creating a new Outlook profile on Windows. But what about on a Mac? Well, good news, it is just doable. And it may be the fix you need for those pesky Outlook problems. Sometimes Outlook starts acting weird. Your inbox won't sync, your calendar is a mess, or it is just running slower. Creating a new Outlook profile on your Mac can give you an email's fresh start, an email reset, and the best part, you won't lose any of your data. In this video, I'm covering what an Outlook profile actually is, why you may need a new one, and a step-by-step guide to create, open it, and set up your account in the new profile. My name is Carlos, and I help small businesses all over the world with their Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace subscription. For more information at itwithcarlos.com. Okay, let's dive in. First thing first, what is an Outlook profile? Picture it like your own personal locker in a gym. It's got all your stuff, your workout gear, your playlist, your protein shake recipe, tailored just for you. In Outlook, that stuff is your account settings, preferences, and the mailbox data. Each profile is its own separate locker. You can set up a new one without touching the old one. It is your space, your rules, no overlap, no mess. So why bother? Here are some solid reasons. Outlook refusing to launch or keep crashing. Your inbox or calendar won't sync properly. You are switching email accounts or provider. Something's gone wonky and the repair tool aren't cutting it. Or maybe you just need a clean slate without reinstalling the app. It is like hitting the reset button. Simple and effective. Okay, time to get hands-on. Here's how to create a new Outlook profile on your Mac. By the way, here's a video on how to create the Outlook profile on Windows, just in case you miss it. Before proceeding to create a new Outlook profile, you need to close Outlook. Then open the Finder on your Mac. In our case, we have it just right here. Then we need to go to Applications, and you will scroll to find Outlook. In this case, you don't need to double-click on Microsoft Outlook. You just do right-click, and then select Show Package Contents. Then double-click on this folder, Contents. Then open Share Support folder. Here you will find Outlook Profile Manager. Then we open it. Double-click here. As we can see, we have only one profile, which is the one that was created the first time that we open Outlook. To create a new Outlook profile, we just click on the plus sign. And we can give it a name. I'm going to call it New Outlook Profile. Then we hit Enter. Now the new Outlook profile has been created. However, when we open Outlook again, it will still open with the main profile, the original profile that we had. So we want Outlook to open the new Outlook profile. To change this, we select the new Outlook profile, right-click, and then we select Set as Default. Now it is done. Outlook will open the new Outlook profile the next time that I open Outlook. We can close the Outlook Profile Manager. And we will open Outlook. To open Outlook again, we just click on the Microsoft Outlook icon. And we will be prompted to add our email account. We will be able to set up our email account. Since my Outlook license is set up with this email account, it is asking me if I want to use this one. However, I don't want to set up this email account. I want to create a new one. So I will click on Add Others. I will enter the email address and click on Continue. Since this email is associated to a Microsoft 365 subscription, Outlook will identify it as a Microsoft account, and the login with Microsoft Windows will show up. So I need to enter my password and click on Sign In. This automatic process will work for Microsoft account and for Google account. If you have an email account with a different provider, you will probably be prompted to set up the server information, and we'll have to go through a manual configuration. So with my Microsoft account, I click on Sign In. Since my account has been set up with multi-factor authentication, I will need to authorize it from my phone using the Authenticator app. It is now authorized, and Outlook has been successfully added my email account. If I want to set up or configure additional email accounts, I just need to click on Add another account. Since this is the only email account that I want to set up here, I just need to click on Done. My email account is now configured within my new Outlook profile. As you can see, I'm working with the classic Outlook version. However, creating a new Outlook profile for the new Outlook version, you will follow the same step that we follow here. If for any reason you want to go back to your original profile, you just need to do this. You can close Outlook and open again the Outlook Profile Manager, doing double click. As you can see, the new Outlook profile is bold. So we will need to select the original profile, right click, and then select Set Default. The next time I open Outlook, the original profile will open. And that's it. A brand new Outlook profile on your Mac. Good to go. Whether you are troubleshooting or just organizing your email life, this trick is a lifesaver. If you miss it, check out my Windows Outlook profile video for that setup too. And if this one helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your comment or question below. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, stay secure in the cloud and keep tech savvy.